Hi guys! Welcome to my birthday celebration! Yay! We are here at the test place. Ayan. Barangay Kanipa, Sitio Colo. So, mo ni ilang kuan guys. Ilang venue. Ayan. So, ayan si Banban. Excited na siya mag-swimming. Pero, hindi pa pwede. Unya na. So, mauni siya din guys. Ganda guys. So, tour ko kayo guys. So, ayan. So, samtang nagkuwat sa mga bisita, nag-picture-picture. Tingnan natin ang Happy birthday! Happy? Happy? Hi.
Wow.
Unsa man?
Wow.
Oh, lawom na din ha. Ayan. So guys.
Wag
Ha?
igugot ko kay Daday Dara.
Oo, unya. Ang aming bisita na early bird.
Lagi may award ani Mama Elan.
Award ng uya ha.
Tanaw na to og naabay pa-award. So, nag-celebrate si Van Van og 5 years old. Hi, Bing! Na. Picture katulong ato lang.
Kita tulo ba na ayun?
Ha?
Picture ta tulo na ayun.
Tara dali. Tara. Manguan na ko nga di. Mang Hello.
Lingon ako as ang asawa ni Dondon.
Ah.
Di sa idapito na. Lagi ako.
Alright, so again today guys, as we all gathered here to celebrate the birthday of Van Nino, and today we are now at Barangay Kanipa, Bye-Bye Lake, and we are now live via ABS-CBN. By the way, ang nag-host for today yung Kuya John. So mga bata, pwede kong tawagong Kuya John, pwede po Kuya Clown. Kamu na ang bahala kung sa inyong gusto. But of course guys, before we start, may I request everyone first to please stand, palihog manindog ang tanan. Palihog, everybody, let's all stand. Also children, manindog. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, madlang people to start off, of course, let us all welcome first and make some noise for the birthday boy, Van Nino! Palakpakan madlang people! So won't you tell me that, just drop your eyes on me, that's the alright, meet this woman, it's my destiny, she said. Alright, so again, Kuya, happy birthday ninyo. What do you say?
Thank you.
How old are you?
5.
5. Very good. So again, ninyo, we celebrate your 5th birthday today. Again, nag-celebrate ka sa imong birthday. But, Kuya ninyo, before we sing you a happy birthday, so musa ka na mo kanta ng happy birthday song. Sige daw, kung sa imong masulti sa imong mama and papa, or sa imong mommy and daddy, na sa imong birthday ron is ilang gihatag, ibuhat ang tanan para ka ma-happy and ma-enjoy. What do you say to your mom and dad?
Thank you.
And?
Love you.
Wow! Palakpakan naman dyan, madlang people. So again, telling you happy birthday. So, I hope you will enjoy your birthday celebration, alright? Stay there muna kuya ninyo. And also, by the way, guys, no, itang mga Filipino, by the way, dili yun na makomplito. Ang usa ka birthday celebration kung walay, ang usa ka birthday celebration dili makomplito kung walay, unsa to ma'am? Sayo, kung walay pakas. Di ba tayo, joke na to. Kung walay happy birthday song, of course, na guys, mga tatag happy birthday song para kay Van Nino. Announcement, diri sa this place, no, na ni siya CCTV camera. likod, at ubaman, kilid-kilid, kay CCTV. Ang ingon ni ma'am sa kuha, unya, i-replay nila ang CCTV camera. Ang makita nga wala mo kantag happy birthday, automatic, dili maka-bring home. Okay? So, may magsabot na lang. So, okay guys, please in the count of 3, let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Louder guys! Happy birthday, happy birthday. Alright, one more time. Sasso! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oink, 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 oink! Happy everybody say happy birthday, Nino! Again, guys, sana everybody say happy birthday, Nino!
Salamat.
Wow! Again, para mga guys sa birthday boy! Ba, Nino! Palakpakan na to. So, thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, usa mang wish ni Kuya Nino.
Good
What is your
health.
wish?
Good health.
What is your wish?
Okay.
Yes, good health.
Good health.
Good health. Imong things, kung sa imong gusto, gusto ipabay ni mama, papa, cellphone, toys, or tablet?
Tablet.
Tablet, okay. Masa na tablet ang imong gusto?
iPhone.
Wow! Automatic ang birthday man! Palitan ko na ni mama! Yes! Okay, na. Ano din na? Pwede na din, blow your birthday candle, make a wish first, and then blow your birthday. Okay, so awat ako dito kayo ninyo. Again, make a wish first before you blow, alright? So ready kayo ninyo? In a count of 3, ready? And 3, wait muna, wait. Oh, again. Mag-count muna ako kayo ninyo, ha? Okay, wait. Again, I will count 1, 2, 3, then blow. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, wish! And blow. Viva! Again, happy birthday ninyo! Thank you so much. So for now, announcement, maningod ko sa ito ng talanong medyo late naman yung kayo. So after na sa lunch ang atong mga pag-games. Announcement, mga bata, wala sa'yo maligo sa swimming pool. Kung naako na yung maligo, mga bata, automatic, triple ang bayad kada usa. Ang bayad 200, so 600 ang bayaran sa ginikanan. Ayaw paliwanag sa inyong mga bata, okay? So for now, may request again everyone to please stand for the blessing of the food. Alihog, manindog ang tanan. And to bless the food is?
Los Piminda.